Highways are an important part of a transportation network because they efficiently connect people and services between distant locations. However, when it rains, flooding can occur at some locations along a highway, resulting in dangerous driving conditions and damaged infrastructure. My name is Monica, and today I will be presenting highway drainage systems, which are engineered solutions to reduce flooding. I will begin by explaining how a road is classified as a highway. I will then elaborate on the importance of a drainage system, present key features, describe environmental concerns and possible runoff treatment solutions, and then finally I'll be providing some concluding remarks. In Canada, a road is classified as a highway if it is controlled and maintained by the federal or provincial government, such as the highway connecting the campus to downtown Montreal, or other major roads in rural areas in Quebec. Typically, highways connect populations with enhanced capacity and efficiency. Regarding drainage systems, the ultimate goal is to prevent flooding. This is to allow for a safe travel route for commuters, to maintain passage for emergency vehicles, and maintain the structural condition of infrastructure. Some metrics that are used to define flood conditions are water depth, water velocity, and pressure within conveyance structures. If the highway drainage system design is inadequate, or if there is a severe storm, the following pictures can show how a highway can become very dangerous for commuters. From left to right, we can see major flooding, flooded land, and damage to the Trans-Canada Highway in Saskatchewan, as seen in this aerial photograph from 2010. And in the last picture, we can see a pressurized storm sewer. So, to prevent catastrophic events such as these, a highway drainage system should have the following features. The first is a storm sewer network to drain the highway during minor storm events. This network typically includes catch basins, maintenance holes, and pipes, as shown in the picture in the middle. Secondly, ditches should be implemented along the highway and to collect and redirect water for minor and major storm events. They convey flow to culverts, ponds, and other water bodies. They're essentially grass, low-lying areas. Next, culverts are pipes that cross the highway and convey flow away from it towards stormwater management ponds. These stormwater management ponds are implemented to store large volumes of water during major storm events, such as a 50 to 100-year storm, as shown in the picture in the middle of an interchange with ponds around it. So if a highway crosses a river or stream, it may affect fish habitat. Potential impacts include changes in water depth, flow, velocity, and chemistry. Storm runoff from highways can contain contaminants such as heavy metals, toxic chemicals, and sediments. Heavy metals come from car and truck exhaust and rust and are toxic to aquatic life. Toxic chemicals can come from snow runoff containing high sodium chloride concentrations, which can kill fish and change the chemistry of water bodies. Sedimentation occurs when soil particles are eroded from the land and transported to surface waters. And then when the land is disturbed to build a road, the rate of erosion increases. The sediment prevents sunlight from reaching aquatic plants, clogs fish gills, and affects other organisms. Therefore, contaminated rainwater should be treated before flowing into a river or stream to protect natural freshwater habitats and to protect native species of the area. Solutions for treating contaminated water include oil and grit separators connected to storm sewer networks that remove oils and sediments through settlement in a chamber, as shown in the picture on the right. Enhanced grass ditches naturally allow for infiltration of contaminants. Stormwater management ponds at the end of the system allow sediments to settle when there are large volumes of water. These methods work the best when they are used in combination, which is referred to often as a treatment train approach. So, in conclusion, highway drainage is very important for flood prevention and safety. Key features of a highway drainage system are the storm sewer network, ditches, culverts, ponds. Some environmental concerns are sediments and toxic contaminants, but there are various methods to treat runoff to protect ecosystems from these concerns. Right here are my references for information and photos. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.